What's your name? This is Rio, our Calaveras macaw. Now, macaws are native to the Amazon rainforest of South America. Macaws, or parrots for that matter, are very intelligent and can mimic human speech. But Rio here also likes to mimic other animals, like a big, ferocious dog. Rio, can you bark? Pretty ferocious dog, Rio. How about that same dog, but this time with fleas? Bark! Don't forget the fleas! Get it, 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 get it. That was a pretty good job, Rio, but this is a bird show, so why don't we try something from the bird family, like a rooster? How's that for an afternoon wake-up call? Macaws have both monocular and binocular vision, which means that Rio here can see two different images at the same time. Like right now, he has one eye focused on me, and the other eye, I do believe, is focused on you, madam. If I didn't know any better, I'd say, Rio, we're checking you out. Rio, you think she's pretty? That's all right if you want to take Rio out on a date, but you have to have him back on time. Rio, what time's your curfew? Midnight. That's right. And speaking of curfews, we've got to get going, so everybody say bye, Rio. Bye.